More than 1,200 ships pass the Straits of Malacca every day. Notice the small ferries sailing towards the left? They are heading towards Batam, Bintan and the Riau Islands, part of the archipelago of Indonesia. Towards the sea, can you figure out some white cylinders in the distance? Those are oil storage containers located on one of Singapore's offshore islands known as Pulau Bukong, once a source of fresh water for passing ships. Today, the island is an oil refinery site. Well, here we are at the top. 131 meters above sea level. That's almost 50 stories high. Do you know that you are now seated in the tallest standalone observatory tower in Asia? Looking towards Singapore, you are sure to notice Resorts World at Sentosa. It is Asia's ultimate destination resort, spanning 49 hectares and home to a host of thrilling attractions, including Universal Studios and Asia's largest marine life park. You can also see cable cars moving to and from Sentosa. A perfect way to end your trip to Sentosa is to take the cable car to Mount Faber for a scenic stroll. Underneath us, can you spot a giant black net? That is the butterfly park and insect kingdom. If creepy crawlies are not your cup of tea, go next door to Sentosa 4D Adventureland, where you can experience an immersive 4D movie or even ride a virtual 4D roller coaster. Located near us at the Imria Lookout is the famous Sentosa Merlion. This half-fish, half-lion creature is an endearing symbol of Singapore. Set foot in the Merlion's mouth to get up close and personal with the legend and unravel its mysteries before taking a short walk to Malacca Strait Wax Museum to meet your favorite celebrities. There is also the images of Singapore Life, where you can take a step back into Singapore's past and see history come alive. Take the Sentosa Luge, a unique downhill thrill ride to Siloso Beach, completing an outdoor experience for all ages that you won't find anywhere else in Southeast Asia. Situated near the beach station is Wings of Time, an outdoor night show featuring amazing displays of water, laser, and fire effects. The Tiger Sky Tower offers the perfect opportunity to catch an unobstructed view of magnificent fireworks display during the presentation. Don't miss our amazing sunset ride in the evening, where you get to catch an awesome sunset island view. First bathed in a shroud of golden rays, and then drawn into darkness as the setting sun disappears from the horizon.
Oh yeah, correct. It was from
As we head back down to Earth, some interesting facts about our Tiger Sky Tower. It weighs a massive 2,000 tons and stands at an impressive 131 meters above sea level. That's like stacking about 570 Tiger beer bottles from the ground up. We are nearing the end of the viewing experience. Have you taken enough pictures? Before you leave the Tiger Sky Tower, look out for your personalized photo where our friendly staff are waiting to serve you. Bring home your vacation memories or browse through our unique souvenir shop. And to complete your experience, visit the Sky Haven to enjoy tasty snacks and cool refreshing Tiger beer on your way out.